Hello and welcome back to Penny Play and Friends. Today, Penny Play's friend Rainy Blow has brought along a new friend. Look who it is. It's from Mr Tumble. Hello, how are you too? Mr Tumble and Rainy Blow have got a lovely alphabet learning activity for us today. That will be fun, won't it? It will. Okay, shall we make a start? So we've got all of the letters of the alphabet in these ice lollies. And on the outside of the ice lollies, we've got the capital letter. And when we open it up, we've got the small letter. And then we've got a picture of what that letter begins with. That'll be fun, won't it? What do you two think? Are you going to enjoy this activity with the children? Yes, we are. Okay, so we're going to make a start. A is for alligator. B is for bear. C is for cat. I like cats, do you? D is for dog. I like dogs too. E is for elephant. F is for fox. G is for giraffe. We've done our first row of the alphabet. Aren't we doing well? What do you think, Mr Tumble? Oh, we know you're Mr Tumble. Let's carry on with the second line of the alphabet. H is for horse. I is for iguana. J is for jellyfish. K is for kangaroo. Have you ever seen a kangaroo in a zoo? L is for lion. Wow, I've seen a lion in a zoo before. M is for mouse. Squeak, squeak. N is for narwhal. It's a type of fish with a big spike on it. We've done our second row of the alphabet. Aren't we doing well, you two? Let's keep going. Okay, Mr Tumble, we're on our third row now. O is for owl. Tweet-a-woo. P is for pig. Oink, oink. Q is for quail. R is for rabbit. Has anyone got a pet rabbit? S is for snake. Scary snake. T is for tiger. Growl. U is for unicorn. We've done our third row of the alphabet. Aren't we doing well, you two? That was a lovely song. Thank you both. Let's do the last line of the alphabet. Are we all ready? V is for vulture. W is for wolf. X is for exemi. That's a type of bird. Y is for yak. And the last letter of the alphabet, Z, is for zebra. That's another animal I've seen in the zoo. Didn't we do well learning all the letters of our alphabet? What do you think? Rainy Bow and Mr Tumble, did you enjoy that? You did? Yes. Hooray! Okay, so thank you for coming along to Penny Play today to learn all the letters of our alphabet. Don't forget to subscribe and come back soon for lots of learning activities at Penny Play. Bye-bye, bye-bye from Penny Play.